Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Fortknoxster. Alright, this project here is of a wallet app that you can use on your phone, okay, but you can also use it to chat, like doing instant messages as well as video calls. Alright, so as always, please do your own research about any project, watch and check all content about that project, both sides, pros and cons, and then decide if you want to get into it. All right, so now that's out of the way, let's go to market. And as you can see, it's only available on KuCoin. All right, so if you don't have an account on KuCoin, you'll find the link in the description. Create one. As you can see, KuCoin is pretty similar to Binance and Gate.io. all right, so after you created your account, go to assets and then main account, deposit and withdraw. Here you can type in the name of the coin that you want to deposit, and then after it appears in here, you can just click deposit and you can deposit, or go to here, deposit, and choose the coin that you want to deposit, or type in the name of the coin and select it. Let's do an example. Let's say link, and select the coin, choose the account if you want to deposit to the main account or trading. In our case, we want to buy a coin, so we want to use it on the trading account, so choose the trading account. For anyone who's concerned about this, it's okay, because you can transfer from trading account to main account or margin account on your settings. You can transfer it with zero fees, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, so then select what network that you want to use. So here you need to select the same network that you've chosen here on the other platform that you are withdrawing your crypto from. Okay, so choose the same network. If you choose here, this here, choose the same one on the other platform. All right, so after you've got your assets on your account, go to assets overview and you will find it on trading account. So let's say you have deposited on your main account, just click on transfer and choose from the direction. For example, if it's on your main account, it will be here, and this is the trading account, and choose that coin and choose the amount, or just click in here and it will select the whole amount and click confirm, and it will automatically get transferred to here and you can start trading. All right, so now that you've got your assets on here, now go to trade and spot trading. Go to here and type in the name of that coin you've deposited. If you have deposited anything other than USDT, you need to sell that coin for USDT. all right, so let's give an example of link that I gave an example of depositing. So then choose the coin to USDT. all right, so in this here, click on it and go to here and click on the current market price, and it will get filled in here, and select what amount of that crypto you want to sell for USDT. If you want to sell the whole amount, click 100% and it will fill here with the whole amount you got on that crypto in your account in here, and you can just sell it, or click 50% or whatever amount, or you can do it manually. all right, and click sell and it will get sold for USDT. Now that you've got USDT, go back to here and type in the name of Fortknoxster. So let's check what is the abbreviation of the coin. It's FKX, and type in FKX, and here it is to USDT. all right, click on it, click on the current market price, which is this one here, and it will get filled automatically in here. And again, choose if you want to buy with the whole amount that you've got of USDT, click on 100%, or if you want just to buy using 50% of your USDT, type in, click on 50%, or again you can do that manually by choosing the amount that you want to buy, like 500, and it will cost you 77 USDT. all right, and now you have these two here. These here are people that are trying to buy with a lower price than the current market price, and this is vice versa for people that want to sell with a higher price or the current one in here, as you can see. But the further you go, the higher it is from the current market price. All right, it's like bargaining. So if you want to buy, you need to buy with the lower, so you'll be getting a bit more than you will be getting using the current market price. But the thing is, you need to put in a reasonable price, because who knows, the market will go forward and higher and your order will not go through. So put in a reasonable price which is near the current market price, or if you check the chart, if you know that the market is going down or higher, depends on what you're trying to do, if you want to sell or buy, put in an order of where you're thinking that the market is heading towards. All right, so if you want to choose any of these, just click on them as well, same we did with the current market price. Just click on it and it will automatically change and give you the price in here, on here, and then click buy, and that's it. Super easy. And now you got Fortknoxster coins. All right, so this is it. It's super simple and easy. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.